Hey Malik, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I was going to send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info. And often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the First Response Emergency Repairs homepage. We'll just do a quick scroll through. And so I like how it's very easy to navigate. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you actually have 394 words on here. So we definitely want to add in some more content. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots. They are going to crawl through the site and determine whether or not the content on it will help Google users find the information and the services that they're looking for. Also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I've jumped onto Google. The keyword that I'll be using for today's video is water damage restoration, Lafeyette, Louisiana. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those searches into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so below the search bar, typically we're going to see Google Ads. There are no Google Ads popping up right now, but Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if done incorrectly, you can definitely waste money on them, but if they are done correctly, it's a good way to get things moving quickly. And so below where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. This is a great spot to be at, gets you right at the top of the first page. In order to do that, you have to make one of these top 3 spots. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages or Yext. Those are all good examples of directories that people use a lot and trust a lot as well. And so you definitely want to be on more of those directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. This is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these search results here, and it's almost always going to be one towards the top of the first page. And so right here, this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword, but their site is down right now. So we'll actually take a look at the next company page that pops up, which is this one right here. And so I did a word counter search on them as well. They actually only have 642 words, so they don't have the bare minimum for Google standards either. So it would be really easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. You want to get these backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So for example, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring some power to your site. Over here, I've jumped onto Ahrefs. This is a really great tool. If you guys ever try to do SEO in-house, I highly recommend trying this tool out. It is a little pricey. It costs me $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. Like right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it tells me they have 164 backlinks from 34 different domains and are ranking organically for 124 keywords. So I can actually click and take a look and see which keywords those are. And so right here lists the different keyword. It'll list how many people search for that keyword every month. It will also tell me what position they hold for that keyword on Google and how much traffic they get from that keyword every month. So I can go through here, see which ones apply to what you do and have a high volume. So we can go through, find the best ones, and incorporate those into your content. Now I am going to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I just did to their keywords, to their backlinks. And so right now it's saying they have 161 backlinks on this page, it says. We want to beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, of course, but we also want to beat them out with the quality. So we can go through here and snag the best ones for your site, see which ones we can snag. We want the ones that have a high DR, domain rating. So we can go through and pick and choose which ones we want to take. We can get some from them, we can get some from some other competitors, and then find some on our own. And so although 161 backlinks isn't very many, keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition and beat them out by a lot. And so before I wrap this up, I just wanted to show you, I typed in your site into Ahrefs as well. Right now you guys have 30 backlinks from one domain and are ranking organically for 4 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. So generally you want keywords that have a high buyer's intent, something that when you can tell someone is searching it, they are probably looking to purchase something, and you really want something that is location specific as well. And so right here, this is a good keyword, mold removal Lafeyette, LA. However, the other 3 actually have your company name in them. So they're not bad keywords, but if someone wasn't already looking for your company, it would be harder for them to find you. And so the 3 things that we talked about were, number 1, you want to get some more quality educational content with the high volume targeted buyer intent keywords. Number 2, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more relevant high powered backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.